soul, making you whole. North Fork River rain, wading the shore, searching your soul, learning to live with your pain. We always want the sun to shine, we never want the rain. But if we want a river to ride, we've got to have some rain. You can't avoid your pain, we've got to have some rain. It's good for the soul, making you whole. North Fork River rain, wading the shore, searching your soul, learning to live with your pain. We never want the clouds to come, want the sun to chase them away. But from those clouds our waters run, and the best days follow the rain. Strength flows out of our pain, we've got to have the rain. Let's go down to the riverside, let's go down to the shore. Let's go down where the water is wide and let it make us whole. We got to go down to the shore, we got to let it make us whole. It's good for the soul, making you whole. North Fork River rain, wading the shore, searching your soul, learn to live with your pain.